What if class isn't just about how much money you have, but about how society sees you, treats you, and limits you? Social class is one of the most powerful forces shaping human life. Traditionally, it was tied to wealth and occupation, but sociology reveals something deeper. Class is also about status, culture, and access. Karl Marx saw class as rooted in economic relations, those who own resources and those who sell their labor. For him, inequality is built into the structure of capitalism itself. But Max Weber expanded this idea, arguing that class also includes status and power, how much respect you have, and how much influence you can exert. Today, class operates in more subtle ways. Pierre Bourdieu showed that class is reproduced through cultural capital, education, taste, and behavior that signal belonging. You don't just inherit money, you inherit a way of being that fits the system. Mike Savage and contemporary studies of class show that modern societies are fragmented into multiple layers: elite, middle, precariat, each with different levels of security and opportunity. But class is not only a Western phenomenon. In many post-colonial societies, class intersects with history, language, and global influence. Syed Hussein Alatas argued that colonial legacies shape class structures, where Western education and norms often define status. Asef Bayat highlights how in the global South, informal economies and everyday survival strategies blur traditional class categories. Class is lived differently, less fixed, more fluid, yet still unequal. Ibn Khaldun offers an earlier insight. Societies are shaped by group solidarity or asabiya. Elites rise when cohesion is strong, but over time, luxury weakens them, and new groups replace them. Class is not static, it shifts with power and social energy. And thinkers like Ali Shariati critique blind imitation of elite classes, arguing that true progress should not mean copying dominant groups, but developing conscious, independent identities. So what does class really mean today? It's not just income. It's where you live, how you speak, what opportunities you access, and how institutions respond to you. It shapes your future long before you make your own choices. The real question is not just what class am I, but how is class shaping my possibilities? Because understanding class is not about labeling yourself. It's about recognizing the structure you are navigating. If this gave you a new perspective on inequality in society, subscribe to the channel. We break down powerful ideas so you don't just live within systems, you understand them.